Here's how to make money from Instagram using a very unique method that you most probably never heard of. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So as you very well already know, Instagram is a massive money making machine if you do certain things right. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to make money from Instagram using a very unique method. So what you want to do is you want to build an Instagram page. This one is going to be different, so don't skip this video because what I'm going to show you is a very unique way of doing it, and I'm going to show you an example of why it works. So what you want to do, as I've said, you want to build an Instagram page maybe from scratch, and you want to build Instagram pages similar to this one here. This page here, Finance Millennial, is a business page, and the business niche is a massive niche that gets a lot of traffic. It's one of the biggest niches out there, and it's also one of the most profitable niches. And you might want to create something that is very similar to this one, and those type of content are not really difficult to get. Don't worry, in this method you won't have to create anything, which is the big big advantage of this particular method that I'm showing you, because creating content online is something that can be very time consuming. But what I'm going to show you in this video, you won't have to do that. You won't have to create anything. So what you'll be doing is simply uploading content similar to those and really build a huge following, which you can then monetize later. And I'm going to talk more about that later in this video, how you can monetize it. But what you're going to do is build a page similar to this one, where you're going to post similar content to what you're seeing right here. So how are you going to build a similar page to the one I just showed you? Where are you going to find content to post, right? So there's two ways for you to go about doing this, okay? Number one is you can either post, not either, you're going to have to do it like this. You have to post your own content. Don't worry, you don't have to create anything. I'm going to show you. And so number two is you're going to curate content from other pages. Not steal other people's content, but curate content, give them credit for it. Don't worry, you will build a huge following by doing this. But really, those are the two things that you're going to do. Post your own content and curate viral content from other pages. Now, for posting your own content, as I've said, you don't have to create anything. What you can do is you could go to Fiverr.com and simply look for Instagram infographics, and you will see that you will find a lot of those content that I showed you on this page. As you can see, those types of content, they are already available on Fiverr, and you can buy huge packs containing all those types of Instagram content, Instagram infographics, and they have it in so many different niches, and they're actually very, very affordable. As you can see, I will design 2,500 business infographic codes for Instagram, and they only cost like $5. Now, okay, this one here with 2,500 will most probably cost around $25 or $30, but which is still really, really affordable. And if you look at some of those other Fiverr sellers in here, they are selling same thing but in other niches. You have this seller selling Instagram templates for health and fitness. This one is for real estate. You have other niches on here. You can have like crypto, Bitcoin, and blockchain, which is the one that I would recommend you to focus most on, because the business niche, as I've said, is a huge niche with a lot of traffic. But the one that you want to focus more on right now is the crypto market, the crypto, the Bitcoin, NFTs, metaverse. This is what everybody's talking about right now, and this is the type of content that you want to create. Okay, so this is a good one that you could buy and start posting. And the good thing with those templates that you can see here, look at this one, 2,200 business infographics, 1,500 business infographics. So if we open one of those, you will see that this one here, 2,500 business Instagram posts. So 100 for $5, 500 for $15, and 2,500 for only $25. So that's like a really cool investment that you could do. Like for only $25, you can get 2,500 100 different Instagram posts that you can post online, and that's why you don't have to create anything. And the good thing is you can even make this more unique to your page. As you can see, this seller here, if you buy from him, he will include your brand, your color, your logo, so you can make it very unique to you, because a lot of those Instagram pages that are similar to those, they are just posting similar content, but with a different feel to it. And this is what you want to post those types of content, because clearly they work very well, and you can add your own logo, your own color to make it more unique to your business. Here's another one here, selling 1,500 business templates for $25. And he's also gonna add your logo and he's gonna add your brand color for free, background text color customization. That's what I was talking about. It can make it very unique to you. So this is how you could get like a huge amount of content to post on Instagram, and it will look like you created all of those from scratch. And this is a really good way of growing very fast on Instagram, because now you have so much content and you can post like 5 or 6 or 7 per day, and you could grow very, very fast on Instagram. So that is the first way of doing it, is to post your own content. You don't have to create anything. You can simply buy those big packs and then upload a few every single day. So that's number one. The second way you're going to do this is you're going to curate content. Okay, you're going to go and find similar pages to those one, and then you're going to repost the viral content on your page. This is a bit like theme pages. So theme pages on Instagram are pages where you curate content from other pages, usually viral content, and then you repost it on your page. And to do this right, you need to give credit to the original poster, because you don't want to get into trouble by doing this. You don't want to have any copyright issues. So you can just repost other people's content, but you need to give them credit for it. In some cases, you might even have to message them just to be on the safe side and ask them permission. But posting those viral content can really help to really grow very fast on Instagram, because if content that you're reposting went viral for somebody else, there's a good chance that it might go viral for you as well. And when a post go viral, that's when you get a huge amount of traffic and you get a huge spike in followers. So that's how you're going to grow your Instagram page from scratch. Okay, you're gonna post your own content that you're gonna buy on Fiverr and make them look like very unique to you. And then number two is by reposting viral content from other pages. Okay, so one thing that you really need to understand is that what you're trying to do, if you try to do this, what you're trying to do is to build free traffic. And one thing you need to understand with free traffic is, in order to succeed with free traffic, you need to post a ton of content, okay? Because building free traffic can take time. Okay, it's not like paid traffic where you can generate a ton of it overnight, provided you can pay for it. But with free traffic, it does take a little bit of time to build. And the best way to speed it up is to post as much content as possible. Some people will post like once or twice per day. You're never gonna grow fast with that. Okay, you need to post as much as possible. I'm talking like 5 or 6 or 7 posts per day. Okay, because the more posts you put out, the more exposure or views you get, right? And the more exposure and views you get, the more clicks you will get, and the more clicks you will get, the more sales you will get from whatever way you're monetizing your channel. So understand that if you want to succeed with building free traffic as quickly as possible, even though free traffic usually takes time to build, the best way to really speed this up is to post as much content as possible. And since you're not creating any content using this method, then you can get a lot of content to post very quickly, easily every single day. So once you've built your page to a few thousand followers and you start generating consistent traffic on your page, then you can now start monetizing it. And there's really different ways for you to go about doing this. You could do what we call affiliate marketing, where you promote other people's product. As I've said, the business niche is a massive niche. So you could promote, like if there's somebody selling like a course or some ebooks or related to business, you can promote that and make money through affiliate marketing. A second way you could make money, once you build a page to a few thousand followers, you could do like shout outs, paid shout outs. You could offer shout outs to other pages. There are different ways you could go about making money from Instagram once you start generating consistent traffic through your page using this particular method I talk about in this video. So there you go, guys. I hope you've liked what you've learned in this video and this very unique method that I talked about. If you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe as well, because I post content every single day. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.